This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a trading bot on Telegram. We'll cover the essential steps to get your automated trading system up and running. First, we'll explore the core elements that make up a successful bot. Then, we'll dive into how Telegram serves as the perfect user interface. Finally, you'll grasp the significant advantages of automating your trading decisions, saving you time and effort. To begin, you'll need to choose a powerful programming language, with Python being a popular choice due to its extensive libraries. Next, integrating with a reputable cryptocurrency exchange's API is crucial for accessing real-time market data and executing trades. Most importantly, you must define a well-researched and profitable trading strategy, which will be the brain of your bot, guiding every decision it makes. Now, let's talk about the actual coding. You'll develop the core logic of your bot, translating your trading strategy into executable code. This involves writing functions for data analysis, signal generation, and order placement. Simultaneously, you'll connect your bot to Telegram's Bot API, enabling it to send messages, receive commands, and interact with you directly through the Telegram application. This integration is key for seamless operation. Before going live, it's vital to thoroughly backtest your trading strategy using historical market data. This helps validate its effectiveness and identify potential flaws. Once confident, deploy your bot on a secure and reliable server, ensuring 24/7 operation. Finally, continuous monitoring of its performance is essential. Regularly review its trades and profitability, making necessary adjustments to optimize its strategy and ensure long-term success in the dynamic market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.